All right, once again, we want to find the infinite limit, and this time around we have our limit going to negative infinity, and we have a difference of powers that we need to investigate. So once again, we take the highest power of x that shows up in our denominator and divide the numerator and denominator by it. So in this case, it's going to be the limit as x goes to negative infinity of 7x to the fourth plus 3x minus 2 divided by x cubed plus 5x plus 1. And we're going to multiply the numerator and denominator by 1 over x cubed. And just like before, we're going to distribute and simplify. So this is equal to the limit as x goes to negative infinity of 7x to the fourth over x cubed plus 3x over x cubed minus 2 over x cubed divided by x cubed divided by x cubed plus 5x over x cubed plus 1 divided by x cubed. Now we simplify. We're going to get the limit as x goes to negative infinity of 7x plus 3 over x squared minus 2 over x cubed divided by 1 plus 5 over x squared plus 1 divided by x cubed. And now we're going to distribute the limit function or operation over each of the terms. So that's the limit as x goes to negative infinity of 7x plus the limit as x goes to negative infinity of 3 over x squared minus the limit as x goes to negative infinity of 2 over x cubed divided by the limit as x approaches negative infinity of 1 plus the limit as x goes to negative infinity of 5 divided by x squared plus the limit as x goes to negative infinity of 1 divided by x cubed. Now, 5 of these 6 limits do exist. We will notice that this first limit, actually the second limit, is equal to 0. This limit is equal to 0. This limit is 1, and these other 2 limits are 0. But we have a holdout. We have the limit as x goes to negative infinity of 7x. And that does not go to 0 or a number. Rather, it's going to increase or decrease without bound. And if you think about it, 7x is basically a linear function with a slope of 7, and that's going to go to negative infinity as x goes to negative infinity. So this limit does not exist. Rather, it's equal to negative infinity, or again, does not exist.